Howdy, folks. I'm the Lone Ranger. Just kidding. I'm Brennan Henderson, and welcome back to another Brennan's Flight Factor episode, a special Halloween episode. Since I'm dressed up as the Lone Ranger here, I decided to pick this character to dress up as this year, and this is the first time I've dressed up as in a costume for Halloween in 3 years, so it feels good to do that again. And I'm here at Springfield-BRANSON National Airport, and hopefully we will catch some good planes. It's in the evening this time, so the sun might go down while we're spotting, but that's pretty cool. And I kind of chose this time of day for the theme, Halloween, so you know. And yeah, we should see an Allegiant A320 arrive and depart. And I believe that one will be the last departure for today at Springfield, so that'll be cool. And we should be able to see a Swift Air 737-300, a rare visitor, take off this evening too, so that'll be pretty cool. And yeah. All right, here's the Brennan's Flight Fact of the day. November 8583 Zulu, a Boeing 737-800 was the last new build 737-800 and NG in general to be delivered to Southwest Airlines in October 2018. So 3 years ago. So the youngest 737 NG in their fleet is 3 years old now. That's pretty amazing. And yeah, alright, without further ado, flights, camera, action! Hi-ho, flyer!
There's that Allegiant A320.
Southwest Airlines.
Mask must cover nose.
This Allegiant A320 got delayed to 7:45. 7:45 departure. It was supposed to depart right about now.
May I have your attention, please? All travelers, if any unknown person attempts to give you any item, including luggage to transport on your flight.
Wow, this evening was interesting, all right. We got to see that Allegiant A320 that you guys saw in the video, and a Swift Air 737-300 that used to fly for Southwest. The tail number of that plane was November 6270 Whiskey, in case you're wondering. And we caught a couple general aviation planes, I should say. And not much action this evening, honestly. And that Allegiant jet got delayed to close to 8 p.m., so I couldn't catch that one depart because of timing. That Swift Air jet didn't depart quick enough for me to see take off either, but that's okay. Maybe next time we'll get to see more planes take off and land. But I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and please give a like and subscribe, and please give a share. That could be helpful. And please turn on that notification bell, and so that way you guys can get all the updates when I post a new episode or a short. And yeah, all right, bye. Happy Halloween.